The Hops Zacian EX box is a special collection celebrating the partnership between Hop and the legendary Pokemon Zacian. I found this box at Target for $25 and was excited to rip it to see the contents. Inside the box, you can find one foil promo card featuring Hops Zacian EX, two foil cards featuring Hops Wooloo and Hops Dubwool, one oversized foil card featuring Hops Zacian EX, one sticker, and 4 booster packs. My box came with 2 Journey Together booster packs and 2 Destined Rivals booster packs, giving collectors a chance to pull cards from 2 older sets that are not easy to find at the moment. Although I had no luck with the box, I still think this is a solid value, as Destined Rivals is one of the best sets of its era, and there are many beautiful cards. I highly recommend the box if you can buy it at MSRP.